speech is simile. Simile is a figure of speech in which two things are compared with one another by using like or as. For example, she is as beautiful as a rose. In this example, her beauty is being compared to the beauty of the rose by using the word as. The next figure of speech is metaphor. Metaphor is a figure of speech in which two things are directly compared with one another without using like or as. If simile says you are like something, metaphor says you are something. For example, he was a lion in the war. In this example, the strength of the person is compared to the strength of the lion, but without using like or as. He is directly compared to the lion. The third figure of speech is personification. Personification is a device in which non-living things or animals are attributed with qualities of a human being. They are treated to be alive. For example, the flowers were dancing on the tune of wind. The intended meaning is that with the movement of the wind, the flowers were also moving. But by the use of the word dancing, the meaning becomes that the flowers are just like human beings and they are dancing on the tune of wind. The next figure of speech is onomatopoeia. This figure of speech is used when we have to convey the sound which is intended by the word. For example, the snake hissed. In this example, the word hissed represents or refers to the sound produced by the snake. Therefore, this is an example of onomatopoeia. The last figure of speech is alliteration. In alliteration, there is a repetition of a particular sound in a series of words. For example, she sells seashells on the seashore. In this example, the sound s and sh are repeated in a series frequently. For more details, kindly visit www.gurukpo.com.